What's up guys, it's TF Test channel. Today I am hands on the Huawei P30 Pro. This phone launched on today. This phone is really amazing features. Okay guys, the main feature it has the 4 real cameras. The main camera is the 40 megapixel. It's not the old rare camera sensors. It's a new ROIP sensor. And secondary camera is the 20 megapixel. It's the ultra wide angle camera. And the last one, because the third camera is 8 megapixel telephoto lens, is a 5x zoom. And the last one is the TOF sensor, and it supports the bokeh mode and live focus. Yeah, it's really amazing, guys. This phone main feature also, this is the 50x zoom available, and this is my hands-on experience only today. And coming soon, I am upload the unboxing and the camera review on this Huawei P30 Pro. Okay, what do you think, guys? And last year launched the camera triple. This is the 4. Okay, let's look the camera. And it's a single X and it's a telephoto lens. And this one is the secondary 8 megapixel 5x zoom. Okay, once again, okay, this is the 5x zoom. It's not bad, quality is good. Let's the 10x. Galaxy S10 and the iPhone top is the 10x only available, but this P30 is available on the 50x. It's not bad, guys. It's really not bad. You realize this image and words, but it's not really clear because the 50x is really amazing feature. And you watch, guys, it's a not edited video, is lively, I'm sure. Yeah, you watch the background words is really clearly show. It's not bad. And the face, but little bit it's glitchy because it's a 50x and 40 megapixel camera zooming. It's unexpected. Okay, let's look the phone quick specs. This phone is available on the 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM. Storage is the 128, 256 and 512GB storage is available. This phone run on the Android 9 EMUI 9.1. This phone's the front and back is the glass, and front and back is also it's the curved glass. Yes, it's a edge screen phone. Phone bottom side, SIM card tray and speaker grills and Type-C port here. Not available on the 3.5mm headphone jack. It's a little bit disappointing because no headphone jack here. But lot of the people not using the headphone only. Yeah, this is the 2019 fully wireless headphone. So I did not need this one. Phone right side, power button and the volume rocker keys here. On the phone top side, IR blaster and secondary mic here. Yeah, Huawei P30 available on the IR blaster. Yes, it's good. You're using the control the TV, AC and other stuff. Always this phone is looking really amazing. The front facing camera, yeah, I missed the front facing camera. Wow, it's a 32 megapixel of the front facing camera, and it's a f2.0 Leica lenses available. Guys, amazing quality and a lot of the bokeh modes effects available on this front facing camera. Guys, it's only for my hands-on experience. Coming soon, I'm upload the deep review on the camera, more expansive full tips, because it's the hands-on place. So I'm not copy these video samples and photo samples and lot of the things, but I really love this camera because the 50x is really amazing. The front facing 32 megapixel bokeh mode and lot of the effects available. I'm really enjoy this moment. Okay guys, what did you think this video? You like? Yeah, you like to like this video and subscribe my channel. Coming soon, I'm uploading a lot of the mobiles reviews and more stuff. Thanks for the watching. This is TF Test channel.